Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. Today's video is on how to download Yoga Down Dog app on your mobile phone. Down Dog provides a studio-like yoga experience in the comfort of your home. So to download it, follow some simple steps which I am going to show you. Make sure your device is connected to stable internet. Now open your App Store or Play Store and search for Yoga Down Dog. As you can see the application here, Yoga Down Dog, click on the download arrow to download it. It might take some time to get downloaded depending upon the internet speed. You can see the app has been downloaded. Click on the open button to use this app for your fitness journey. This app is ready to use. You can either sign in or log in and enjoy its features. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.